special in my heart. And I'm very thankful to be with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi ulit na siya just to watch the concert. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Josie Morales. I like naman po. Yeah. Nahihiya tuloy. Alright, music please. Sana po mapustuhan niyo. Because of course we want that's why I used to sing that open arms. So thank you so much. Again, meron naman taga-sikiwan dito. Huwag naman tayo mahiya, ha? Asa na natin? Ha? Taga-sikiwan dyan ko ba eh? Ayun, oh wow. We should be proud of sa probinsya. Actually, the province of Siquijor, guys, you can see a beautiful white sand beaches, guys. Yan po ang pinagmamalaki po namin dito sa Esla, yung mga beaches po. Very beautiful white sand. That's why one of the reason, guys, we're making to, it sounds like a booming, maraging go up sa Kapaylas because of sa mga foreigners. Every day, we travel dito. And then, that's why our tourism di booming. Okay. Meron ba? Gusto mo yan, ha? Gusto mo ba? Hina? Di